See question number 28, 2019 question. Integral 0 to 1 x into cot inverse of 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4 dx. See, I don't think space is enough. We may have to rub once the board. Answer I have written there. Let us see how we are going to achieve this. Okay. And a little bit this tan inverse formula, trigonometric formula also you should know. Okay. Let me see. See, let us take this as I. Why? Because I want to split afterwards I1, I2. Shall I change this like this? You see 0 to 1. Okay. And x into, rather than cot inverse, tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4. Shall I change like this? Is it okay? Why? Because we know tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. Cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Okay? And one formula I am writing here, observe carefully. If this formula, if you know, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, this star mark shows formula. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y by tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. You see, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, you have to change this. How I am changing? Observe carefully. This is crucial for this question. Integral 0 to 1 x tan inverse. See how I am changing. X square minus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square into x square minus 1. Stop and analyze. I think here dx have to write. Whether I have written correct or not, you analyze. Why? Because see, 1 should come. X square minus x square going to get cancelled out. Minus of minus plus 1. Okay, numerator is okay. Now come back to denominator. 1 minus x square. See, 1 plus x to the power of 4. 1 plus x to the power of 4. Again, minus 1 into x square means minus x square. Minus x square. That means see, numerator denominator both match. Now you go see. X square means x, y means x square minus 1, 1 plus x square into x square minus 1. Okay. Now shall I change this like this? You see, that is equal to integral 0 to 1 x into tan inverse of x. That means x square minus, alright, we can keep small parenthesis also, minus tan inverse of x square minus 1. I think we have to keep this one. But because here already parenthesis has come. Dx. Now you understand that? Sir, not square, tan inverse. Tan inverse x square minus 1. Okay? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of this formula. Okay? Now proceed. Now see, I want to split this. I is equal to I1 minus I2. Whereas I1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x tan inverse x square dx, comma I2 is equal to, see afterwards we will make minus. But I2 I am writing again. I2 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x tan inverse of x square minus 1 dx. Okay. Now proceed. Now proceed. Now not that much difficult, but I think space may be taken. Let me do one by one. I am first doing I1. I1 is equal to You take x square as t. Why? Because 2x dx will come. I1 implies I am writing I1 I am taking, okay, I1. While taking I1, I am taking x square is equal to t. T you have not yet taken, na? Okay? If you have taken already t means you take theta. X square I am taking as t, and inverse t will come. Okay, then x dx will be dt by 2. Because 2x dx will be dt will come x dx. Why? Because x dx is there. Understand? Okay. Now you check these limits also. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0 square, 0. When x is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 square, 1. That means the limits not changed. Okay. Now write down I1 in terms of t. See, I1 is equal to integral 0 to 1, okay, tan inverse t into x ds will be dt by 2. That means the dt by 2. Okay, how we are going to do integral tan inverse t? D by dx of tan inverse t means 1 by 1 plus x square. But integral tan inverse t means you can't do. What we do, into 1 you take. Now u into v form you take and proceed. Integration by parts. You have to take u as tan inverse t. Why? Because we can differentiate this. That is equal to 1 by 2 u tan inverse t integral v dx. Integral dt v minus d by dx of tan inverse t. Directly shall I write 1 by 1 plus t square. Okay, d by dx of tan inverse t. Again integral dt. Whole dt. But this is from 0 to 1. Okay. Proceed. That is equal to I1 is equal to 1 by 2. See, here t will come. T into tan inverse t. Okay. Minus integral. From here also t will come. T by 1 plus t square. See what I am doing here. 2t by 1 by 2. Shall I write? 2 going to get cancelled. Why? Why? Because if you take this as theta, this is d theta. Log of 1 plus t square it will. That is equal to 1 by 2 t tan inverse t minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square you need not keep modulus. Why? Because the 1 plus t square is not going to become what we can say negative. Okay? Even t becomes 0 also, 1 will be there. You understand this? Why I have written? Okay? Now see, I have not yet substituted the values 0 to 1. I will substitute. I want to remove question under this green line. Okay? Let me see whether it will come within this or not. Answer I will keep like this only. Answer I am not removing. Step by step we will do. Okay? I will take red. Now write down. I1 is equal to 1 by 2. See, first you are giving a upper limit. 1 into tan inverse 1. Pi by 4. Pi by 4 will come. Minus 1 by 2 into. See, if you give here 1 square, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 by 2 log 2. Log 2. You keep this parenthesis. Lower limit minus. Lower limit also you have to give. Lower limit if you give 0 into something is 0. First this is 0. Minus 0 if you give here 0 plus 1 is 1. Log 1 is 0. 0 into 1 by 2 is 0. Again 0. Okay? Close. That means finally I1 value how much it is going to come? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4 log 2. Okay, this value is I1. Now go for I2. I2 also same thing we can repeat it. See how I am repeating. But I1 minus I2 you have to do. I1 minus I2. Don't forget. This I am not going to remove. This I may remove. Now we are going for I2. Write down I2. I2 is equal to this one. Integral 0 to 1. No, I am writing like this. See, I2 implies I am keeping. See for I2, see for I1 x square we have taken as t. For I2 I am taking x square minus 1 as t. X square minus 1 is equal to t. Again, x dx is equal to dt by 2 here also. 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay? And the limits also same. No, limits not same. Carefully how to do. Limits. See, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to c, 0 minus 1. Minus 1 will come. Very carefully how to do. When x is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay? That means here minus 1 to 0 will come t value. Now proceed accordingly. Now I2 is equal to integral minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 0, not 1. Minus 1 to 0. Okay? And tan inverse t into x dx means dt by 2. That means dt I will write here, 1 by 2 I will write here. Okay? Now wait, here also same thing has come, 1 by 2, but limit you don't bother limit. Integral tan inverse t, integral tan inverse t. Shall I submit this? Limits are changing and 1 by 2 will be outside. 1 by 2 will be outside. T tan inverse t minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus t square. Okay, but limits are from minus 1 to 0. Okay? Okay. Now I am going to remove this black. Black only I have to take. Okay, now apply limit. I2 is equal to 1 by 2 times 0 if you see this is 0. 0 if you do automatically 1 plus 0 log 1 is 0. That means the first part is 0. 0 minus 0 minus. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Let it be, not a problem. Okay. Now you give upper limit or lower limit. Minus 1 into tan inverse of minus 1 minus pi by 4. Minus plus. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 square 1 log 2. Okay. Finally, what will be the answer? 1 by 2, if you see here minus is there. Little bit carefully how to do this. 5 by 4 also minus. This is going to become plus. Okay. 5 by 8 but minus. Minus pi by 8. Okay. 5 by 8 is there but inside plus but outside minus is there. 5 by 8 2. 5 by 4 into 1 by 2, 5 by 8. But this minus going to become plus. Plus 1 by 4 log 2. Okay, now you know I is equal to I1 minus I2. Write down. I need not take red again. I am going to take blue. Okay, because blue, red going to mix. I is equal to I1 minus I2. I1 is how much? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4 log 2 minus I2 minus of minus 8 plus pi by 8 minus 1 by 4 log 2. Okay, that is equal to, see, pi by 8 plus pi by 8, 2 pi by 8, pi by 4. Okay, minus 1 by 4 log 2 minus 1 by 4 log 2 minus 2 by 4 log 2, that means minus 1 by 2 log 2. Okay, let us go for next question.